Hi students, good morning. Today rain gauge preparation we will discuss it. So, how to make a own rain gauge? It's a very simple. The first you are collect these items like the scale, scissor, bottle, plaster, mud, and next you are cut the top of the bottle like this and but you are not forgot the remove the lid. Next turn top of the bottle upside down like this and fix it to the bottle. Next prepare the scale. First take the scale and white paper, so prepare the centimeter scale this type of. Next, your scale paper is best the water bottle like this. So your rain gauge is ready. So now you are fill the bottle with sand and water. Fill the spot where you have the marker 0. So your rain gauge is ready. You are collect your village, how many centimeters rain in your rainy season, or one day, or 2 day, or 1 month. So that's it. You are prepared one rain gauge.